Okay, next topic we will discuss, that is accrual basis of accounting. Already we know the basis of accounting can be divided into two types. One is cash basis, another is accrual basis. We will discuss about what is the accrual basis of accounting. This method is also known as mercantile method. What we have learned in cash basis of accounting, it simply considered the receipt of cash and payment of cash. If there is no movement of cash, then that is not considered in cash basis of accounting. But in accrual basis, it considered a particular item if there is no movement of cash. That means what? While we are making an expenditures, say we are purchasing a particular item for the business, but the payment is yet to be made. That expenditure is written and recorded in the books of account only when the purchases are made, at the time of making the purchases, not when the cash is paid. So, expenditure payable, which is known as outstanding expenses, is considered under the accrual basis of accounting. The same way, if we are selling goods, then we will write down as an income, because we know that the income is recognized at the time of making sales. But we are not receiving the payment. That means we are about to receive the payment in a future date. In such a case, that is called accrued income. So that accrued income we will consider under the accrual basis of accounting. So it consider both cash transaction as well as credit transaction. In cash basis, it totally excludes the credit transactions. In accrual basis, it includes all credit transactions that take place in the business. Actually, the accrual basis of accounting is said the actual parameter of measuring the financial performances of business, because in the cash basis we only consider all those payments which are made in terms of the cash, the credit payments left behind, but here they also consider the credit payment also. And income as well as expenditures are recognized not based on the cash. That is one of the most important matter. The income is recognized at the time of sales, whether the cash is received or not. The expenditure will recognize at the time of the purchases, not depending upon whether the expenditure is paid or not. So the accrual basis of accounting, it consider cash received as well as receivables, cash paid as well as cash payables. This is called outstanding expenses. This is called accrued incomes. So let's see what are the accounts that is prepared on the basis of the accrual basis of accounting. One of the most important account which is followed by all the firms in this world, that is profit and loss account. Because profit and loss account shows the financial performances of the business. What is the amount of profit that is earned during a particular period of time? What is the amount of losses that has suffered during a particular period of time? That profit and loss account is prepared by following the accrual basis of accounting. Another account that is called income and expenditure account. This is very much similar to the profit and loss account, but that particular account is being prepared by the NPOs, the non-profit organizations. So these are the two usual accounts which we have been getting by following the accrual basis of accounting. So accrual basis and cash basis, they are different, and accrual basis is called most true accounts in comparison to the cash basis of accounting.